premature aging, unnatural death, higher incidence of serious and potential fatal diseases and affliction with multiple disease syndromes. They even had menstrual disturbances, reduced fertility, span resulting in reduced birth rates. So I must apologize that I do not have a stake in Kashmir. I have not gone there for more than 20 years. But I do understand the problems and I'm continuously interacting with people. And it would have been wonderful if Mr. K.L. Chaudhary would have been here because he is doing a lot of good work in Kashmir amongst the women and the children and the camp. And I also must, आपको शायद पता नहीं होगा, I must compliment Mr. Raina because संजय काक ने बताया कि आप यूथ के संग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं वहाँ. तो जैसे आपने कहा कि you don't believe in अपना बोलबाला नहीं करते हैं, तो शायद कभी-कभी गलतफहमी ना हो इसलिए दुनिया को बताना पड़ता है कि हम किस तरह का काम कर रहे हैं. Since the time is short, of course I have a 2-page note and talking about how we should ensure that the policy and legislative measures must be such as to protect the rights of women and ensuring gender equality. But I am a little disturbed regarding the disturbance that took place during this meeting. And since we said that it's also been said that we don't build institutions and there's a lot of talk and there's a lot of noise in television and everywhere, I thought it was a good idea. In fact, in the beginning I told Rajesh also that if some resolution comes, I mean, after all, we are all people, we all we're all educated. Kashmiri Pandits are the most educated in the whole country, I think. Plus they're getting the benefit in all other education institutions in other states, they're getting the quota benefit. So why don't we pool in our resources to help our own people in the state? And if there is, today could be a platform to give our names or in any way, I think I would be most willing to be a part of that movement if a new movement could start from today. Movement in the sense, not a movement of agitation, but a movement to do something specific, whether to document the culture, whether to help people, whether to give them legal aid or medical aid. This is just a small suggestion from me. Thank you so much.